Solar photovoltaic plant assembly has never been so fast and reliable. Factory-tested and pre-assembled power collection packages allow you to minimize transport requirements, installation time, civil works, equipment needed, and operation and maintenance expenses. We are happy to support you in connecting utility-scale solar PV plants, complementing our power collection packages with prefabricated and modular substations. A great step on our common path for sustainable energy transition. Leverage our long-lasting grid integration experience to reduce your investment risk and environmental impact, accelerating your projects with highly modular, customizable, and repeatable packages and substations from our Grid-eXpand portfolio. Fully scalable, our solutions are available for any size of solar PV plant, from 1 megawatt to several hundred megawatts, and adapted to any land site profile, maintenance, and reliability requirements by selecting the most convenient technology, central or string converter based. As pioneers and leaders in grid integration, we provide exceptionally flexible solutions to meet any type of grid code requirements and customer configurations. Gain peace of mind having us as a lifecycle partner for planning, building, and operating with proven experience. Hitachi Energy provides affordable, reliable, and sustainable energy solutions for your projects. Everywhere.